Pretty Gang. Today's video is gonna be me dyeing my hair back black, but it's not necessarily all the way black. It's just like black, and it's kind of like a chocolate brown. If like you're in some light, you can see it's like a chocolate. It's fine with your girl. So if y'all want to see how I do this, just watch. I made a mess, but it's still cute. So if you are subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. Thumbs this video up if you like it. Make sure you comment down below what you want to see next. Become a part of the Pretty Gang, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so I'm about to part my hair. Ain't gotta be neat. So I'm just parting it into 4 sections. As you can see, I ain't doing it neat. You gotta do this on dirty hair. Well, I'm doing it on dirty hair. Okay. Now I'm doing this because I'm tired of all this brown and stuff in my hair. Natural hair color is right here, like you can see it. Don't mind the dustiness, but her color is just plain black. So the color I got is called Adore. It's Adore, but it's called Off Black. Beauty Supply. They were like, that's the color that's supposed to be like a natural black. Jet black, I feel like jet black would have been very pretty. I had my hair jet black before and it was. So I'm gonna have to do this with my hands. And then I don't know if it's, I hope it don't stain my hands that bad. Hopefully it'll wash off. And also I got these white nails on, and hopefully it don't stain this because that's gonna make me really mad. I have to just go ahead and start. I'm gonna need this light back here. So what are you doing? But you see how my hair is like, it's black and then it's brown. I don't like that. I don't like that anymore. It's not what I'm going for. Perfect. Now we can rock and roll. Just gonna put it on there. On the hair. I'm gonna start from my end because I think that's the better way to start. So I'm not going towards my roots. I'm just doing my ends where my hair is like a different color at. So I don't necessarily have to go up towards my my roots. I'm just touching up my ends pretty much. So do that. Make sure it's all through there. Just like, I feel like since this isn't a permanent dye, it should come on my hand. Oh my gosh. How stupid could you be, y'all? Just so bad. Okay, so I'm back. See the difference between this side and this side already. So what I'm about to do is show y'all me doing this side. So I had to go rinse what dye was on my fingers. My fingers was just black, like completely black. But look, and it's gonna be all on my neck. Just want to get my ends. Like you can see, this is where my hair grew out at. My hair was like literally like this short. You can see where my hair, like the natural color is, and then what the colors that I had before starts. Oh, y'all probably like, girl, you ain't never doing that without no glove. I am, fortunately. And I'll figure out how to get it off, so don't y'all worry. Don't y'all worry about your girl. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna rinse, shampoo, and condition all this out. Look at my hands. Okay, so I just shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. Nothing special. So we're about to see the finished product. I haven't seen the actual finished product of my hair, so we're about to see that right now. Brown, but it's like, I don't know how to explain the brown that it is. It's like a chocolate brown, which is okay. I'm actually not mad about it. I don't mind. I just didn't like the color that it was. I didn't like that brown that it was. This is the other side.